wabarakatuh.
Hello friends, this time we will practice how to repair damaged tiles.
Previously, we would like to introduce ourselves.
Hello, introduce. My name is Husni komar.
I am Supriyanto.
I am Senta, lana, aghisti.
And I Maratua, jaya.
The first step is to observe the cracked part of the tile.
Kau acuhkan aku, kau diamkan aku, kau tinggalkan aku.
Second, prepare a replacement tile.
Third, take the broken tile out.
Fourth, replace the old tile with the new one. The 5 pairs of the tile from inside, rearrange them in order. And then the process is complete.